Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope that you have had a lot of time to do whatever your craft is, whether it be crocheting, cross-stitch, knitting, scrapbooking, whatever it is you do. I hope that you have had a lot of time since I have last seen you to enjoy working on your projects. Today I do have two works in progress to show. I have been working on my circle blanket. It's going to be more Afghan size than an actual blanket. And how I got to do this was I watched Krista, hi Krista, over at the Secret Yarnery, and she showed a circle blanket that she had made, and she did a tutorial on it. And I really liked how it looked, so I joined in and I am working on one now. I am now putting the squares together. The last time you seen it, I just had the circles that I had made into squares. So I am now putting it together. So this is where it's at. And I've just got this much of the inside of it, and then it comes on over to that side, and then down. So it's going to be a nice size Afghan. And this one is going to replace the one that I have on the back of my couch now that some of you have seen. So anyway, that is where I'm at. So on my next crochet video, this should be done. And I'm hoping to be in a new spot to record very soon. I have a corner of my dining room that I am turning into like my little craft area with all my yarn, my scrapbooking stuff, cross-stitch stuff in this little corner. And I'm hoping to be able to record over in that corner very, very soon. So I'm just kind of working with it right now, trying to organize and put things in the proper places and stuff like that right now. So anyway, this is coming right along, and it should be complete on my next video. And the brown on here is warm brown from Super Saver, and here it is. And that is true color. It's a very pretty brown. And then my other colors are just, I think that's buff, this one. It's just odd and ends, so I don't really have, I think that's buff. This is baby pink, very light pink. And I think that's all of them, but yeah, this one might be that wavelength that I've been using a lot of, but very pretty colors. So there's that. And the last thing that I've been working on, I am doing a crochet, I'm a crochet tester for Melon Bee. Hello, Monica. I will be getting you the information you need regarding this pattern possibly tomorrow. I am testing these fingerless gloves for her. Now this is black and white. They were in color. So this is black and white, of course. And then up here you can have, and down here you can have any color, you know, that you want. So I didn't have a lot of white. So what I did, here's my black. Use the black. I used buff. So these two colors together. And for the top of the glove and the bottom of the glove and the thumb is this. So that's what my glove will look like. So here it is so far. I'm getting ready to start the thumb area. So let me go ahead and put this on so that you can see where I'm at with it. So this is where I'm at. Haven't woven in any ends or anything yet, but I'm getting ready to come across and get the thumb slot started and then go around, and it should come up to about here when I'm done. So I'm about halfway done with that. Really enjoying it. Very easy pattern. And she hopes to have the pattern up on her Ravelry at the end of this month. So just in a few days. So, but I would highly recommend it. It's a good pattern. And yeah, I have found nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So that is all that I have for this time. And it's just called fingerless gloves. Right up there. So that's all I have for this time. It's, you know, quick video, but I am working on my projects, enjoying the circle blanket. Like I said, I hope to have that done, you know, by my next video, so I will have that complete. And I'm really feeling in the mood to do some amigurumis, so that's probably going to be next on my list. So if that's what I do, if that's what I'm starting and stuff, then I will show you that. I'm going to use the book that I got in the Crochet Carousel package that had a bunch of animal gurumis and stuff like that. And I also won a book from Proper Pineapple Holly. And there's a lot of amigurumis in there that I want to do as well. So I'll show you those books and which ones I'm going to do on my next video. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, for taking the time to watch, for liking, sharing, subscribing. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. And until my next video, everybody, take care.